Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making.
So today I'm going to make potato 65. For that here I have taken 4 potatoes. Now I will grate them all. Soak the grated potatoes for 5 to 10 minutes in chilled water. Now squeeze out all the water from the grated potatoes. Now in this add cumin powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, dhania powder, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, black pepper powder, salt as per taste, red chili powder for the spiciness, curry leaves and a bit of garlic paste. Now mix all this together. Coat all the masalas in our grated potatoes. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornflour and 1 tablespoon of flour or maida. Now mix them together. Now take small portion of our mixture and make a small sized balls. Our all potato balls are ready to fry. Now fry them in medium-high flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure our potato balls are not too fried. It should be crunchy from the outside and chewy from the inside. Now in another pan add some garlic, curry leaves, dry red chili, and lastly add tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. So here we go, our spicy potato 65 is ready to serve.